Okay, so with the Meta Glasses most recent update, you can now connect all of your health apps up to your Meta Ray-Ban glasses and track different statistics and even ask the AI questions about your workouts. Now, we originally thought this was only for the Vanguard models, but surprise, surprise, it turns out we can also do it with the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 1 and Gen 2s. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you like things like this, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. And here we go. All right, everybody. So we're here on the front of the Meta AI app. First, you're going to want to click the bottom right into your glasses and then top right the cog wheel so that you can go into your settings. Next, go into app connections. You're going to see a few new features here or apps that you can connect into. First is Garmin. If you own a Garmin watch or device, go ahead and connect that up. Unfortunately, I don't have one, but my understanding is you actually get a few more features strictly through Garmin. Next, you'll see Health Connect. Now, I'm on an Android system. If you're on an iPhone, that'll say Apple Health. You want to connect that up. And then down at the bottom, you have Strava. If you happen to use Strava, that's more of a social media workout app. You can track your workouts, share it socially. That's actually a great app, and I'm going to show you some tricks by using Strava that you didn't know you could do, where you can actually use almost any workout app that you prefer and be able to record everything with it. So once you get in there and you allow those, you want to go into your phone settings. So you want to go down to your apps, and then you're going to want to look for your Meta AI app. So you go into permissions, and if you look down at the bottom here, you're going to see physical activity. This might actually be denied on yours. They just added this when they started doing the health connections. I was running into issues where my workouts weren't tracking, and that was what my issue was. So you want to allow physical activity permission, and then you want to go to health, fitness, and wellness. Make sure that this is allow all so that you can track all these different things. Once you have that set up, you can go ahead and start a workout, whether through Strava or your Google or Samsung or Apple workouts. While you're doing the workout, you want to go ahead and record a video. Just, simply take a picture, record a video, and you'll see here, I was doing some jumping jacks, and as I was doing it, I was recording a video, and you can see now, once you download the video from your glasses into your gallery, you can click on the stats, and now you can choose the different stats that you want to show. So for me, I can do distance, average speed, total ascent, time, calories, moving time for that particular workout. You can also unmark the stats if you don't want them to show. And you can also do either a summary or real time. So when you do that, you'll notice over here on the side where it says Strava, and it's showing exactly what I did. Now, I just did a minute and a half of jumping jacks, and as it plays, it's got the stats there. Now, something else that's really cool, if you do one where you walk or do some sort of running and you click into the stats, for that I just did a 2-minute indoor walk. And I just literally walked in my house so that I could show you guys. If you go into the stats, you'll see real time or summary. If you click real time and then you play the video, you will see the pace, the heart rate, the cadence, the distance, everything will change, the time. So you can see where you were at that specific point of the workout and what your workout stats or metrics are. So from there, if you scroll down, you're also going to see a workouts area in your Meta AI app. Okay, so I've got a couple of them in here. So we'll look at this one. If you click into the workout, Meta AI will generate a summary. It's going to show a few of the basic metrics. You can read the little summary. But the great part about this is you can actually ask your glasses questions about it after your workout. Now, one of my favorite things is I like lifting heavy weights, and when I do, I use an app called Heavy, H-E-V-Y. Now, one of the cool things about Strava is a lot of other apps connect into it. So for heavy, for instance, I go into my profile and I hit settings, and as I go through, I look for integrations. I can integrate it with Strava. So if I start a workout in heavy, it'll record it in Strava, which then connects it to Meta AI in the app, and I can record videos while working out in heavy, and then I can see my stats in the video. So if you happen to have different apps that you enjoy using for workouts, you can now use it with your Meta glasses as long as it connects to Strava. And it could potentially do it with Garmin too. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't have a Garmin device, but that is a really cool feature, allowing you to use almost any workout app that you like right with your Meta glasses. All right, so let me show you what it's like when you talk to your glasses and ask it questions about your different workouts. Hey Meta, what was my best workout yesterday?
Your best workout yesterday was walking, with 2 sessions completed.
Which one of the two were better?
The morning walk, starting at 10:50 a.m., was slightly better, lasting 2 minutes longer.
And what was my heart rate like on the second walking workout?
Your heart rate averaged 88 beats per minute during the walks.
How many total calories did I burn during both of my workouts?
You burned a total of 23 calories during both workouts.
So yesterday I just did 2-minute walks throughout my house just to kind of test and see how the app integrations worked and what it could record with the health tracking. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.